Goliath bird-eating spider. Giant arachids. Written by Anne Wills. Focus question. What advantage does the Goliath bird-eating spider have because of its size? A big, hairy spider. Goliath bird-eating spiders are very big spiders. They are about the size of a dinner plate. They weigh more than any other spider in the world. How big is it? Human hand length 7.44 inches, width 1.3 inches. Goliath spider diameter 12 inches, weight 6 pounds. Like many spiders, Goliath spiders have 8 legs and 8 eyes. Even with that many eyes, they can't see very well. Their bodies are covered with many tiny hairs. 2 body parts. Spiders have 2 body parts. The mouth, fangs, and legs are in the front part. The back part is for making silk. A spider with its leg can be about 1 foot 30 centimeters across. That's as long as a ruler. Home in rainforest. Goliath spiders live in rainforests. The forests are in hot and wet parts of the world. The spiders make their homes to burrows under the ground. What's for dinner? Goliath spiders are great hunters. They hunt at night for mice, insects, and other many small prey. The hair on the body helps them sense the small animals is near. The Goliath spider hunts. They get close to the small animal, then they grab it with their strong, hairy legs. Poison fangs. Giant Goliath spiders have a special weapon. Their fangs are filled with poison. When they bite an animal, the poison makes the animal stop moving. Humans don't need to worry too much. A bite from Goliath spider hurts about as much as a wasp sting. Watch out for enemies. Even big spiders have enemies: hawks, owls, and snakes. Sometimes it's Goliath spiders. An insect called spider wasps can kill them too. Growing up. Baby spiders hatch from eggs. They look like the little adult. They must shed their outside skin to grow bigger. They shed their skin many times during their life. Learning from spiders. Huge, hairy Goliath spiders are very special. They have an important job in their forest homes. We can learn a lot from them.